Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to rename a shortcut in Microsoft Windows 11. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. To rename a shortcut in Microsoft Windows 11 is quite very easy. Let's say we will take this example, Word 2007. Just click that particular shortcut, right click, show more options, and then click rename. So let's say we will like to put Microsoft the Word in Word 2007. Press in the enter key, none. Then we already renamed the shortcut into Microsoft Word 2007 from Word 2007. That's easy. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to rename a shortcut in Microsoft Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.